The 5 stages of an eagle's life. 1. Egg. The eagle's life begins as an egg, laid in a large nest called an eyrie for about 35 days. 2. Hatchling. After hatching, the chick is covered in down and relies entirely on its parents for food and protection for 10 weeks. 3. Fledgling. The young eagle, now with growing flight feathers, begins practicing flying and hunting under its parents' supervision for 12 weeks. 4. Juvenile. The juvenile eagle leaves the nest, developing its hunting skills and growing into adult plumage until the age of 4. 5. Adult. Fully mature with complete adult plumage, the adult eagle is ready to reproduce and establish its own territory, living up to 30